I made this entire game from start to finish inside Godot Engine 4.7, and this was done on a YouTube live broadcast, and you can be able to watch the tutorial right now by clicking on the link in the description. Control again to activate your camera control. You can use your shift to be able to run. Use your space bar to jump and turn back. So that's how you can actually create this.